Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today we're going to make some sweet potato fries. And I just want to give out two shout outs actually, because we're going to do two things here. One is we're going to make a vegan sour cream type dip. And I got that from Carrie Eats Plants. I'll put a link to her channel in the description to that video, which is really awesome. And then also I'm going to put a link to Sweet Potato Soul. That channel is great too, another vegan cooking channel. And the sweet potatoes, I got the idea for the fries from her channel, and the dressing from Carrie Eats Plants. So yeah, check out both of those channels, really great. And here we go. So what we need is a couple of big sweet potatoes, or maybe some smaller ones. This is what I had right now. If I had more, I would do more, but that's all I got. I'm pre-soaking some rice. I'm pre-soaking some cashews. I'll show you the amounts in a second, but basically we need some sunflowers as well, sunflower seeds, and some white vinegar. I've got apple cider vinegar, that's fine, or lemon juice would be fine too. And yeah, that's it. So let's get started. I'm going to peel these potatoes. Normally I don't peel potatoes, as you guys have probably seen in some of my other recipes. I do enjoy them. If I were baking these just whole in the oven, I would just leave these the way they are. I've already scrubbed them with a brush. But for the purpose of the fries, I kind of want a more even consistency, and the skin definitely cooks slightly different than the inside, so I'm going to peel these. So let's start with that, and then we're going to cut them into little fry shapes. Just wanted to show you the process of how I'm getting the fry shape. I basically, cut the potato in half, and then I cut it into like big slices like this, and then I'm just cutting across, so they end up, kind of in that classic fry shape. Now, the other thing is when you're laying these out on the sheet, you don't want to have them touching each other too much, because then they won't get like crispy around the edges. Obviously, I'm not going to be deep frying them, so you still want that kind of like crispy edge that you would get, but hopefully with a much healthier version here. So this might even be too many for the pan. I might take some of these out. I'm going to put the rest in a different pan, and I'll show you the next step. Alright guys, so that's the fries. I've just lightly salted them, sprinkled some olive oil on there, a little drizzle. I'm going to just kind of mix them up by hand, and then I'm going to throw them in the oven. The oven has been preheated to 200 Celsius, which is like, I don't know, 400 something ish degrees Fahrenheit, and I've got the rice cooking and the cashews are still soaking. So let's get these in the oven. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes. I flipped over the sweet potatoes in the oven and just kind of made sure that they're going to be, crisping up on all the edges. And we're going to make the sauce. So the rice is done. I've got 1 cup of the cooked rice, 1 cup of the soaked cashews. I got a 1/4 cup of the sunflower seeds, and a 1/4 cup of the vinegar. Now we're going to pour 1 cup of water on top of this, and then we're going to blend it down, and I'll show that to you next. So this is what it looks like with the 1 cup of water. This is very, very thick. Most people would probably find this to be too thick, or definitely not reminiscent of sour cream. Still tastes great, but I am going to add a little more water, and you just kind of do it to taste, to how thick or runny you like it. I might even have to transfer this to a slightly bigger container, but it should be fine. So that's it. After getting a little bit more water in there, that's the consistency I'm going for. But again, like I said, you can do it to taste. And of course, you can do all sorts of great stuff with this. Adding other herbs and spices. You could do like chives or, other things for like other different kinds of flavors. So yeah, try that. And I'm going to check on the fries now. Sweet. The sweet potato fries are done. They look really good. I've just tried one with my wife, and they're really good. Very crispy, very tasty. So I'm just going to take out the rest, put in the third tray, and I'll put this on a plate. Alright, so there they are. Came out really good. I definitely recommend this to anybody. If you like sweet potato fries, give it a shot. Super easy. Really, you don't need much of any kind of experience in the kitchen to get this done right. And you can see they come out really nice and crispy. Just depends on how crispy you like them. Got the dipping sauce. You can obviously use that for tons of other stuff. I think it just pairs really well with this. I kind of like the tartness with the sweetness of the fries, but you could use ketchup, you could use other kinds of dipping sauce, and yeah, give it a shot. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, And if you want, you can share it with your friends. I'd love to hear if you did make it and what you thought of it. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks to everybody who's subscribed. And see you in the next one. I'm going to get to work eating these. All right. Peace.